This is the newest knife I bought from Kansept. They're a neat knife company, and this model caught my eye for a couple of reasons. First off, the color. As you can see, it comes with a pouch, it comes with a microfiber cloth and the instructions and a manual. The first thing I liked about this knife was the color, the green color. I'm a big fan of the different color knob, pretty neat as well. And then it's the axis lock, or the crossbow lock like that. I'm a big fan of that lock. And then it's this style knife. I really like this straight edge. I really like the blade shape. Super easy to close, super easy to open. This one is tip up carry. The G10 handles are comfortable. They're slick, but they're porous, so they're easy to hold on to. It's real easy to get this one open. Super easy to close it with one hand. Big fan of this one. The Kansept Easy Street. Main Street, the Main Street by Dirk Pinkerton. And this one is green micarta. Hope this helps.